Do you want to be able to update your expiration date in Apple Pay? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be quite simple. You need to firstly open up your settings app on your iPhone, and then we're just going to scroll down in here. So keep scrolling down until you can see where it says Wallet and Apple Pay. As you can see, so click on Wallet and Apple Pay, and in here you will be able to see all of your cards that you currently have connected to your Apple Pay. But if you have already one card connected and the expiration date is not updated on it, then what you're going to do is you just click on that card, then scroll all the way down and click on Remove Card, because then you will be taken to this page again. What you're going to do after that is to just simply add your card once again and update the expiration date, because unfortunately you're not able to yourself update the expiration date on already an existing card in here. You need to firstly remove it, then add it again with the correct information, and that is basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.